Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your Airtel plan and SIM are 5G enabled and your device supports the required bands. Once done, update the phone OS and carrier settings so compatibility is current. Next, open mobile network settings and set network mode to 5G/4G/3G automatic. Make sure no manual 4G only lock is active. Finally, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and rejoin the network to force a fresh attachment to Airtel 5G. Now dig into network settings to fix persistent issues. You should compare APN values with Airtel defaults and reset to factory APN if anything is wrong. Incorrect APN can block data even when 5G registers. If problems persist, reset the SIM or test it in a different 5G handset to separate device versus SIM faults. Also check for carrier configuration updates and perform a network settings reset. This clears bad profiles and often restores proper 5G connectivity. To complete the fix, reboot once more and verify 5G appears in the status bar, then run a quick speed test to confirm throughput. If 5G still fails, manually select the Airtel network in your operator list, note any errors, and gather MA plus timestamped signal logs before contacting Airtel support. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see intermittent 5G, toggle network mode to 5G preferred and move outdoors to clear local interference. This often reveals whether the issue is coverage or provision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.